Hi guys, so today we're going to be unboxing our March Boxycharm Luxe box. This is what the card looks like this month. So let's go ahead and get right into the box so you can see what I got this month for $50. So this is a box that they send out quarterly, and the first thing I have here in the box is a bag. It looks like a little makeup bag. Actually, this looks like a really nice makeup bag. So it has two zippers here, like normal makeup bags come in. Really nice compartments in there. It says Boxy Charm on there. This is a really nice makeup bag, especially if you travel a lot. This will work out really, really nice for you. So this is something that I'm sure a lot of people will be happy to be getting in their box. So the first item that is from Wander Beauty Lift and Purify Brightening Peel Off Mask is $34 if you bought this at their website, and it has goji berry, blueberry, lycic, and green tea leaf extract, and it's basically a pill. So it says a quick pill, smooths and clears and brightens complexion. So this is a really nice thing to have if you like to use skin pill type stuff. The next thing I have in the box is from Lash. These are a $24.99 value. They're a faux mink golly lash. Adds volume, length, and drama to your lashes. So these are going to be ones that you wear when you have a really super nice night out. They're going to be super dramatic, and a lot of people can't wear them. I'll give them a try one of these, but they look super huge. But I'm excited to try them. I don't know. I think I have gotten Lily lashes before from Boxycharm, but I can't be too sure. But I'm excited to give these a try. They actually look like they're real lashes, so that's something to be excited about. All right, the next thing I got here is from Ipsy Cosmetics, and it is Confidence in a Cream. This is a $48 value. This is a anti-aging moisture, perfect for all skin types, even the most sensitive. So this is a quick absorbing super cream for your face, and I'm super excited to try it. I've had samples of it before, and I've used up the samples, and I really like the samples, so I'm excited to have a full size of this. And I'll definitely be using this at night after my face stuff that I do, or probably might even wear it under my makeup. I guess I'll see how it works. But let me know what you use. Do you use this in the day or in the night if you have this cream? But I'm super excited to get this. I'm always super excited to get anything from Boxycharm, so you'll hear me say that a lot. But I'm really happy to have gotten this and give it a try for a longer period of time other than just the samples that I normally get of that. Alright, the next thing I got in the box is from Cover FX, and this is the 6 most must-have complete essentials in one traveling friendly palette. This is a $45 value, and it looks like you're gonna get some contour, blush, luminizer, and finishing powder in here. Oh, that contour color is actually a really nice color. So that color there, it has like a gray tone, which is what I like. So that's gonna be one that I'm excited about. The blush is a pretty color. The bronzer looks like a nice color. This finishing powder looks like a nice finishing powder, and the brightener actually looks nice too. So I'm actually really surprised at this palette, and I'm happy to give it a try. So we'll see how that works out. Again, this is a $45 value if you pick this up on their website. All right, what's next? All right, it looks like we've got something from Iconic. And it is, let me see what this is. And it's an Iconic eyebrow cushion. So it came in a box like this. I took it out of the box for you. And it looks like it's definitely a cushion. So it has a mirror there. And then it has like a retractable brush. So you have like your spoolie on this side. And then you have your not so firm eyebrow portion. And then on the inside here, it looks like you have your cushion makeup. I'm not going to give that a try now because I don't want that to dry out on me, but that's really interesting. I will give that a try in the future. And it looks like I got the color medium, so hopefully that color actually matches me. That's actually really a weird product. I've never seen anything like that before. This product is a $40 value, so that's a really high priced value for that. So hopefully that works really nicely and it becomes one of my new favorite brow type products. All right, the next thing I have in here is from Becca. This is a lipstick. It's the Ultra Matte Lipstick Love. $24 if you bought this in their retail store. And I got the color Taupe. So that's nice because it's not going to be something that's over the top like bright red, something that I'm not going to wear on a regular basis. I'm not going to swatch it, but I will show you the color. That's a perfect color for me. So it's actually kind of like the color I have now. It smells like suntan lotion, like that oil-based suntan lotion that people used to wear back in the day. That's what it smells like. That's a really, really pretty color. It's kind of a color a little bit darker than a Velvet Teddy from MAC. It's slightly darker, so more of a brick color. That's really pretty. That's something I'm really excited to try out. I love colors like that. I wear them every single day of my life. All right, the next item I have in here is from Dorothy Lippmann. It looks like 2 nail polishes. Yay, I love nail polishes. I have a ton of them. I buy them all the time. And this is a $20 value. So it looks like you get 2 of them. You get a almost like a pinky mauve color, slightly lighter than the color I have on my nails now. And then the other color you have here is another slightly pinky mauve, but this one has like glitter flicks in it. So that's really pretty as well. I'll definitely get a lot of good use out of both of these colors. I like these colors, so it's really, really nice to get some nail polish from Boxycharm. I haven't gotten nail polish from Boxycharm at all ever, so I'm super excited to get those. And then the last couple of things I have in here, oh, I got some brushes from Moda, which is really, really nice. The Moda brushes are retailing at $29.99. I have been enjoying the brushes that I get from Boxycharm. Every time they send me a new brush, I'm just so happy because I can really find the use for them, and they are just Boxycharm, whoever they decide to team up with, their brushes are always really, really nice. All right, so it looks like we got 2 brushes here. We got a powder brush and a soft glow brush. So I'm assuming that the powder brush is just an all-over powder brush, which that's what it looks like here. Very nice. They have a really pink, really cute pink like handle. Not very heavy, definitely soft. That's a really nice powder brush. And then this one here, I'm assuming is going to be for highlighters, which would be a really nice brush because I don't have a brush really designated for highlighters. This one's kind of fluffy, and I think it'll pick up the highlighter really well. So I'm really happy to get both of these and try those out. And like I said, those are $29.99 for these 2 brushes. These are really nice. I'm always happy to get brushes from Boxycharm. They just do so well at that. All right, and then the last thing I have in here is from Morphe Cosmetics. It's the 15N Night Master eyeshadow palette. It comes like this in a box. It looks like this. Let me go ahead and open it up, and it looks like we're getting 15 different shadows in here, and these are like your purpley plums and some of your like neutrally colors on here. So these are colors that I definitely enjoy using on a daily basis, so I'll be really happy to give these a try and see how they work out. I like some of Morphe's eyeshadows, and some of them I don't, so these are ones that I'll definitely give a try and see if I like them, or if not, I'll end up passing this palette on to somebody that might like it a little bit more. All right, that was everything I got in my Boxycharm for this month. That was a lot of stuff. I think Boxycharm did a really good job this month of curating this box. My box this month added up to $301.98, which is a huge bargain when you're only paying $50 for the box. I think they did really well this month with giving us Becca products, giving us some eyelashes, some IT Cosmetics, the Cover FX, Wander Beauty, the nail polishes. I think they did a one with this box this month, and I'm super happy to have it. If you guys haven't signed up for Boxycharm yet, now is a good time to do it. If they have openings, it's a good box to get. My box is the #1 box. I don't know if there are different items in different boxes, but I did get box #1 this month. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know if you have any questions about anything that I showed you today, and I will talk to you guys sometime either within the week or next week. All right, bye.